If you're a parent or a caretaker, then you're inevitably going to have your child or other kids in the car with you. There's only so much that we as parents can do when it comes to car safety and our young ones. For starters, we can inform and teach our children of the rules and guidelines of riding in the car. We can also get the appropriate car seat to keep them safe and secure. Sure, things are often changing, there's new laws and all sorts of other findings. However, there's one major factor here. What if you're unsure of how to teach your child proper car safety? Well, now you don't have to worry about a thing. In this brief but information-packed digital course, you'll learn all there is to know about car safety when it comes to youth of all ages. Regardless of if you're a new parent or a seasoned parent, you can be sure to find some valuable tidbits in this course. Best of all, you can download the entire course right now for 100% free if you take action today. Just grab your copy using the button on the page below.